What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rescue Real. If you want to learn how to make $500, you must use my reward code, which is right here. Once you put in my rewards code, then we will both be able to make some money. So just continue to watch this video and you'll see how I make $500 in a day. What's going on? If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to get that bell ring. Also, like and comment if you have any questions. So basically, if you have an Apple phone, you go to Apple Store. If you have an Android, you go to Google Store. Basically, you use this Cash App for both Androids and iPhones. So basically, what you want to do is search up Cash App. Okay. So once you download Cash App, you have to put in your information. So you have to put your name and you have to put in your telephone number. Once you put in your telephone number, you will get a SMS code. Go back to the green screen and put in that code. After you put in that code, then you basically will have to request $1 from me. So you're not sending me $1. You're not paying anything. I'm paying you $1. So basically, what this will do once you request that $1, which is on the left side bottom of your phone, put in my number or put in my code, but basically put in my number, and we both will receive $5, and I could trust that you will basically send me my $1 back. So congrats if you made it this far, and just keep following these steps every time you trying to make $5. So let's say you have 100 people times 5, that's $500. That's how you can make $500 in a day. So just follow these directions. Also, don't forget to use my rewards code in order to get the $5. You have to do that, or we both won't get the $5. So with that being said, thank you for watching my video. Go ahead, comment, subscribe, like, and if you have any other questions, just comment. All right, thank you.